Hey guys, so as you probably might have seen my last video, I did the unboxing over here of the UAG Monarch series. So I kind of wanted to give you guys an update and show you the what the case will actually look like with the phone. Again, this is for the iPhone XS Max, as you can see. And just to reiterate again, this is the carbon fiber design. It's the Monarch series, but I don't think it's actual carbon fiber. The one with the leather, there's another one that has the leather inserts in here. I didn't see that in person, but it looks like texture might be like a leather, maybe a faux leather. I'm not entirely sure, but um, I'm not entirely sure on this one if this is actual carbon fiber or not, but I looked online but I couldn't really find anything. But anyway, so let's put this to the side. I'm gonna put the phone in there. Okay, so here's the phone. Looks really good. Here's the back of it. Again, looks really nice. I really like it. So there we go. Here's some cutouts. Looks good. Nothing on top. It has a good not so clicky, but you still get the push on there. So then we have these cutouts here. I do, now that I'm actually looking at it, you can now tell that just like the speaker grill, that it's not symmetrical. Neither is neither are the ports, the cutout ports. But okay, so yeah, this is the first look at this. It's a really nice design. I do like it. I've had these. You can kind of tell the lip here on there, almost slightly. But definitely, it's one of those you can drop it right on its face. You're not gonna have any issues. This is my third UAG case. I've had it previously for my Note 3 and my Note 5, and both of those phones actually I was able to turn in and get some money back on that without any issues. No scratches, no dents. So this one, hopefully it'll hold up a lot better. Um, so yeah, I also kind of wanted to show you guys some other things, some more different cases. I'll show you another video with this new iPhone product red case on it, just to take a look at it. So stay tuned, and thanks, and subscribe. All right, bye.